If you're looking for a functional, compact vehicle with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Kia Soul X-Line in Gravity Gray. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D6731.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.